The nominees are
Gerard Barrett, Pilgrim Hill. Lisa Barris-Dessa and Glenn Leyburn, Good Vibrations. Kieran Foy, Citadel. Jack Rayner, What Richard Did.
And the IFTA goes to Gerard Barrett, Pilgrim Hill. It's very heavy, careful. Very heavy.
Thank you so much.
That's your first burden of your future. It's very heavy.
I wonder, can I sell it? Can I sell it? This is a huge honour. I know I have 30 seconds. My mother and father down in Kerry, who will be watching this, will be going mental, and it's lovely. Grania for sticking by me and putting up with me and giving out to me when I need to give an out to. Joe Mullins, who just gives an amazing performance in Pilgrim Hill, Joe, and you know you're an amazing actor, but you're also a great friend. And I suppose I just want to thank the Irish Film Board for getting behind me and helping me with the film. I want to thank the Galway Film Fleadh for coming to Dublin to see the film. I want to thank my credit union manager down in the stall for giving me $4,500 to make the film. And I just want to thank, Mary Welch, who gave me her farm for a week down in Kerry. And it's just everybody in Brownback Films. It's a huge honour to be in a room of people that I hugely admire. And, I just thank you so much. Thank you.